Suggestions to tackle affiliate marketing successfully. Some people say that the internet has taken the entertainment industry's place, as one of the only recession-proof venues in existence. If that's true at all, then it's only true because of the billions of product choices that you can find online. As an affiliate marketer, you have free rein to choose which products you want to sell. Use this information to help you make the best decision. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, do your research first. If you can, actually try out the product. The more you know about the item, the more information you'll be able to include in your review. Otherwise, you'll end up using meaningless adjectives and drivel to fill up space in your video. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. Keep track of special offers made by the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. If advertisers on your website are making a limited time offer on the products you are advertising for them, you should know about it. Consider posting special content to emphasize such deals so that you get your piece of the action. Being an affiliate is all about the product, as we alluded to in the opening of this video. However, it's also about following the other steps listed here, in order to achieve your ultimate goal. You will never stop learning about marketing as a whole, nor should you. You should follow helpful advice anywhere you can get it. Start with this video and continue to be a student of the genre. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.